Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are making a chocolate orange cheesecake. So chocolate orange is a very festive flavor pairing, and we're turning it into the most delicious, oh my god, no bacon cheesecake. So let's get started. Okay, so first to make the base, you want to combine the chocolate wafers, some melted butter, and some orange zest in a bowl. Press it into the bottom of a 9-inch round springform pan and place the pan in the fridge to chill while you make the filling. To make the filling, beat the cream cheese with an electric mixer until smooth. Add some semi-sweet chocolate, orange zest, sugar, and cocoa powder and mix to combine. Then add whipping cream, some lemon juice, and vanilla extract and mix until combined. Then combine some gelatin and water in a small bowl and microwave for 30 seconds or until the gelatin has fully melted. Add this to the cheesecake mixture and mix until well combined. Pour this into the springform pan and smooth the surface. Then pop it into the fridge overnight or until it's firm. To make the topping and to decorate the cheesecake, you want to place some orange slices into a pot of cold water. Bring it to a boil and boil for 30 seconds. Drain, then place in another pot with some sugar and some water. Bring it to a simmer and cook until the orange peel is translucent for about 10 to 20 minutes. Then just transfer it to a plate and cool completely. Then you want to slide a sharp knife around the inside edges of the cake pan and then release the sides of the pan. Sprinkle a variety of gold sprinkles onto the cheesecake, then just top it with the candy oranges and you are done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. There are quite a bit of components in this recipe, but I think that they all work beautifully together and it's such a beautiful looking cheesecake. I think it's like the prettiest one I've ever made in my humble opinion. And actually my boyfriend, who is from Italy, he loves chocolate and orange, but it's not as popular, I find, in North America, so I figured it would be a good recipe, kind of like a good flavor pairing to just throw into the mix of like all the peppermint and everything like that that's around this time of year. But yeah, anyways, I hope that you like this recipe. If you have any requests for any other cheesecake recipes, let me know in the comments down below. It's one of my most favorite things to make because it's so creamy and I love eating it after I film it, so any excuse to make cheesecake is like, I'll take it and I'll make it. Also, this is my new merch. It says Chardonnay and there is like a little pony drinking Chardonnay on it. So if you are interested in this and a bunch of other merch, I'll have it linked in the cards. No, not in the cards, on the screen here, as well as down below. And if you order before December 20th, if you guys are in the States, it will arrive by Christmas. So anyways, yes, I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye!